Well, a genuine shout out to all you fridge engineers out there, or anybody that knows what this symbol on this big AGA Rangemaster fridge freezer is indicating, because it doesn't seem to be malfunctioning in terms of its function. The freezer is still frozen, the top section is still working fine. We've got this flashing red symbol here on the control panel, and it's not indicating a temperature on the freezer section here, which is, I think, maybe something to do with the error. We've tried a hard reset, and by that I mean switching it off for 10 minutes and switching it back on. I don't know the exact model number without trying to pull it out. All the details on this must be on the rear, because I've opened up the fridge section and the freezer drawers, and I can't see any identifying panels to give me a model number or year of manufacture. It's about 3 years old. It's probably just out of warranty. And as I can say, if anybody knows if this is serious, needs looking at, we've looked in the actual back of the fridge to see if we've got any blockages, air circulation issues, or switches, and the only control seems to be on this panel, which, to be honest, does very little. We always run it in eco mode, and it just does that. Doesn't seem to give us any function or ability or information in terms of what this means. So please, in comments, do let us know and give us some guidance. If you've had this problem or fault repaired, you know what it means, know the significance of it, please do let us know. Thanks for watching.